Welcome back to my channel, friends. This side Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I know you all are so excited, and I am so excited that we are doing this live session today, and we are waiting for few more people to join us. If you have already joined us, please do leave some comment below so that we know that you guys are here with us. And yes, today's session is going to be really exciting, and of course we have huge giveaway for all of you. So yes, for that you will have to stay tuned with us for our session. Hello Bhavna, hi Abha, hi Michelle, hi Aparna, Vinay, Rashmi, Falguni. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good, and I am so excited to share today's live session with you all. And of course, we have been working on this for quite some time, and trust me, this was super exciting for all of us. Hi Ragini, hi Reshma, hi Nancy, hi Aparna. Hello everyone. I hope you all can hear me. I hope you all can see us. Yes. Hi Manjula. Hello Rakhi. Girls, first of all, a big thanks to all of you for showing so much of love to us, so much of appreciation to us. Yes, of course, we have already shared a video where we have mentioned that what all supplies we will be using today, but what I will be using as a base was something which we had not disclosed, but this is a high time. So today we will be using this wooden elements pack from iCraft, of course. And what I have created for you is this beautiful piece of art. Now this is a multi-purpose element set. Now this is, you can make a key holder, but I love this panel as a one single piece which you can use as your decor piece. So yes, this has all the elements what you get in this one pack, the wooden embellishment pack from iCraft. And yes, of course, I will show you another one on how to make something similar to this. I am not at all going to repeat all the same process. I really wanted to try out something new, different for all of you, and just to make sure that we can show varieties of options here to all of you. Yes, you need to make sure that you share this video as much as you can. Why? Because we have a giveaway for 3 lucky people, those who are going to share this live session on various different groups. Of course, your settings has to be in public, and do make sure that you share this post as much as you can. Now we already have 3 lucky winners, those who have shared our iCraft post on various groups. We will be announcing the 3 winners name at the end of the session. For the post sharing and for this live session sharing, the winners will be announced by my next live session. So yes, you will have to share this as much as you can. Okay, now I would not waste too much of time in chatting with you all, which I absolutely love, but first I will just show you this project. Now here in this one, I have used this complete pack, and I have created this beautiful panel. Like I said, this is a multi-purpose panel which you can use as a decorative piece. You can use this as a wall frame, and you can even use this as a nameplate. You just need to write the text whatever you want, and then this is just perfect to go. Okay, now here I would just like to show you that what is there in this kit. Now this is a pack of wooden embellishments, and yes, one very important thing, we are offering flat 10% discount to all the winners, to all the people, all the viewers out there. The coupon code is GC10, and you will be getting flat 10% off at iCraft store. So yes, please do make sure that you use the coupon code GC10. Okay, now here in this wooden embellishment pack, let me show you what all we have. So let me just remove the packaging, the embellishments, the stencils. These are the stuff which you have already seen, and these are the decoupage papers which we are going to use. Now these are the embellishments what you get with this packaging. Yes, of course, there is a flat 10% off at Complete iCraft store, and you can buy all the supplies whatever we are using in this session right now. Okay, so now this one comes with a piece of one rectangle, bigger size panel. Then we have these 3 one size panel, one cute little smaller panel, and 2 oval shapes. Now there is a variation of thickness, of course, because when you are doing a decoupage and a mixed media project, you really want to play around with the thicknesses and dimensions. So this is just a perfect for any of your home decor piece. Once again, I will repeat, please do share this video as much as you can, because we are going to announce 3 lucky winners for this live session sharing. So yes, do share this. Okay, now we need to start planning out how to make this one. Now the best part of these panels are that you can design it in your own way. Now if I show you, so in this one I have used my bigger one, then the 3 one size panels, and then I have used 2 oval shapes on the top. Okay, now if you want, you can make something exactly same, or you can change the look and feel of the panel. So here I am thinking of doing something different today, so that we have some nice variation. So yeah, I think this is how we can stick this. Girls, once again I would like to mention, and I really want to mention this because I don't want you all to miss this chance, there is a flat 10% off on Complete iCraft store. You need to use your coupon code GC10 to avail the discounts. Okay, now here I'm thinking of making a center panel like this. I don't know, I am still thinking. Okay, I think this looks really good. So let us start preparing this in this pattern. You can change the pattern as per your requirement. Okay, now I will keep my previous piece aside, and now we are going to stick this. So let me start with my first piece. Okay, I am just making this as an approximately that how much area I will be needing. Make sure you stick this really well, and you will be so excited to see that how beautiful these panels are going to look. Like I said, you can use them as multi-purpose thing. You can make key holders, you can make these as a wall frame, you can use this as a decorative piece of art. So you just imagine the way you want it and you can make it. Okay, now we will be sticking the second panel, and now I will be sticking the third panel. So yes, if you have any queries, you can always comment in the video section, and we will be more than happy to help you all. And of course, do not forget to share this video as much as you can. Now let me just keep this in this way. Okay, now I will just show you, even behind the pack they have shown good 2-3 options on how you can arrange these panels. And like I said, it is completely up to you that how you want to arrange it and how you may want to make these panels. Okay, now this is done. I'm just going to leave it like this to dry out. Now we will be sticking up this panel. And yes, if you have shared our post about this live session, we have 3 lucky winners which we will be announcing at the end of the session. So yes, you need to stay tuned till the end of the video, and I'm sure you are not going to regret that. And of course, we have 3 lucky winners who will be getting 500 voucher from iCraft if you share this video. So please do not forget to share this live session as much as you can. Okay, now I need to stick it from the center. And I will stick my third base. Okay, now this looks good. This looks very good. Now here in this pack there were 7 pieces in one pack. So I'm just thinking that how many variations you can do with this. This set is for 500 rupees. Of course, they have so many other options. I will be sharing all the links the moment we are done with the live session. And like I said, you can avail flat 10% off on your purchase from iCraft. You need to use the coupon code GC10, and like I mentioned, you can create so many variations with this one piece of panel. So just imagine what all you can do. Like, I'm already thinking of, can we use this as a photo frame also? Can we use this as a wall panel key holder? Like, you can just have the holes and have your key hanging panel with you. Okay, now here we are done. Now by the time this is drying out, what we are going to do is we are going to start doing the cutting work of our decoupage papers. Now here they have beautiful and amazing collection of decoupage papers. So in each pack they have varieties of designs and colors. So let me just show you one pack. Now in this pack you can see this, you have beautiful different patterns. Can you see this? They are so amazing, so beautiful. So you can use this for any part of your panel. Now I'm just thinking which one to use. Like in the previous one which I had done, I had used 2 pieces. So here I'm thinking of having these 2 papers and using this one. Okay, so very quickly I'm going to cut this one. If you are very good in fussy cutting work, you can do the fussy cut work. If you are an artist like me who just want to do her projects quite well but very quickly, then you can do this kind of cutting. It's absolutely fine. Okay, now here I have cut down this one piece. Once again I'll repeat, there is a flat 10% off on iCraft supplies. You can use the coupon code GC10 and all these supplies are available at iCraft website. And yes, this is done. I'm just waiting to show you all the colors and everything which we had already shown in the video, that they are so gorgeous to use, and I'm extremely excited. So what I'm going to do is I will be playing around with nice shades of chalk paints. Now they come in various sizes, and the starting range what I remember is around 150 I guess. And yes, on that also you are getting flat 10% off. This offer is valid till 10th of July. So please do make sure that you avail these discounts, and I'm sure you are not going to regret that at all. Okay, now here we have this very huge and big piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into 2 parts. Now how we will do it, let me show you. you have any queries, you can always ask me. You can comment on any of our videos. Yes, also do not forget to subscribe to Growing Crafts YouTube channel. That's in the name of Growing Craft. And make sure you have also followed us on Instagram. For Instagram and YouTube, you just need to search for Growing Craft. And yes, in our YouTube channel, we have more than 500 videos for you all. Like, we are going to touch almost 600 now. Okay, now here I can see that this flower can be cut from this part. So very nicely, I will trim up this part from this page. Yes, all these supplies are available with iCraft on their website. You can use coupon code GC10 to avail this discount of flat 10%, which is a grab deal for you guys. Do check that. Okay, now here I'm thinking that I will be using this part here and this part here, and I will be adding some of the portions here and there. Okay, I think now this looks good. Now I just need to keep this aside. No, the coupon code is GC10. The moment I am done with this session, then I'm going to post all the links for you guys. The coupon code is already mentioned on my Facebook page post, so you can check that. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to like our page and follow our page. Now here I'm going to use a heavy gesso on the base. Now why do we need a gesso? Gesso is used to prep up the base. Okay, now why do we need to prep up our base? So usually if you work directly with these papers, the base, what happens is that they do not have the nice brightness to absorb all the colors, to pop out all the colors. So because of that, your work doesn't look that beautiful, or it doesn't comes the way you want it. So that's the reason you need to apply gesso to prep up your base. Now here with a broader flat brush, I am applying a coat of gesso and I am going to apply this very generously on my complete panel. Do not miss out this step. Applying your gesso is really important. So this is the gesso which I am using. Make sure you have this one, because this is really important for your decoupage and mixed media projects. And yes, do not forget to share this video as much as you can, because we are going to have 3 lucky winners who will be sharing our post. And of course we have 500 voucher for 3 lucky people, those who will be sharing our post. So don't miss that chance too. Now very quickly I will do this. Let me just show you the panel which I had done. So this was the panel which I had done earlier. And yes, of course I am going to do a bit different color combination, because I wanted to show you all that how beautifully we can make this. So color combinations you really don't have to worry about, because like I had mentioned earlier in my video also, that they have such amazing collection of colors in chalk paints that it works beautifully, and you can just play around with them and make your artwork so beautiful. Now there is a huge difference in acrylic paints and chalk paints. So chalk paints always give you the beautiful matte finish look, which is not possible with acrylic paints. And that's the reason whenever I am doing my decoupage work, I love using my chalk paints. And as I had shown you in this project, here I have only used chalk paints. Okay, now this is a heavy gesso, so it is going to make my work much more easier, that I will just have to apply 1 coat of gesso and my work will be done. Now usually what happens is, if you are not using any of the heavy gessos, then you need to apply good 2-3 coats of gesso. So yes, that does not work really well. So that's the best part of using these gesso, the heavy gesso. And of course, the color combinations, whatever the work you are going to do, will pop out so well. Now I am almost done. Why I'm using a broader brush? Because it makes my work easier. It covers more portions at a time, and very quickly we can just dry this up and move on to the next step. So yeah, now here I am done, and I can see that I have not left out any of the portions. Okay, I don't want this to be a very smooth surface. Why? Because I want to play around with the colors, and I want to do some nice color blending with these beautiful shades of chalk paint. Girls, a little reminder, please do share this video as much as you can. Why? Because we are going to announce 3 lucky winners who are going to share this post as much as you can. So this is a primer. Gesso is something which is used to prep up your base. So yes, gesso is really important, and heavy gesso works perfectly. You can buy all these supplies from iCraft at flat 10% off. You need to use the coupon code GC10 to avail the discounts. Yes, those who have shared our live session post, we have 3 lucky winners' name already with us. Their names will be announced at the end of the video, so you need to make sure that you are stay tuned till the end of this session. Yes, here I am using my heat gun to dry this up. If you want, you can let it dry naturally, but with the heat gun it makes your work easier and faster. Yes, the color shades are absolutely beautiful, like I had already shown that in that video. The only reason why I was so keen on making that video with all these supplies, because I really wanted to show you all the beautiful shades of these chalk paints. And I am a big fan of chalk paints. Why? Because chalk paints give a complete nice different look to your project, and which is just amazing. So I always feel that if you want to have a good artwork, you need to play around with really good supplies. They play a very important role in having a beautiful artwork, and of course they always helps in having a long-term lasting. Girls, please do share this video as much as you can. Okay, now here we are done with our drying process. Now I have something really amazing to show you all, which I had told you during that video that I will be sharing with you all, but please do make sure that you share this video as much as you can. Okay, now here I have the sticky glue. I really wanted to tell you that when I got this glue, I thought that this is just going to be for the sticking my decoupage papers, but later on I realized that I can use this same glue for even the gold gliding work, which is absolutely amazing. Why? Because you don't have to buy so many things. So yes, like I said, you can use coupon code GC10 at iCraft and buy all these supplies at flat 10% off. Now let me just assemble everything and see that how I had planned, because by now I have almost forgotten that how I had planned to have these on my panel, and this one here, and yeah, this one here, and these pieces I will just club it here. Let me do a bit more of fussy cutting work. Where is my scissor? Yeah. So the iCraft website's name is iCraft, and yes, you can avail the discount of flat 10% off on all these goodies from their store. So do not miss this chance. And yes, you need to make sure that you share this video as much as you can. Now here I am doing a bit of fussy cutting work because I have planned that I am going to join my beautiful flower pieces. Now the best part is, just because I had similar color papers, the joining these papers becomes super easy. Okay, now like I said, with this with this sticky glue you can do your gold gliding work, you can also do your sticking work, and this is one of the best things which I have seen recently. Now very quickly, I don't want to waste too much of time, and here I will start sticking my decoupage paper. Now you need to make sure that you apply generous amount of adhesive. This is really important, as I always say, because if the things are not going to stick properly, they are not going to last. And yes, when you have such amazing supplies, your work becomes much more easier. Okay, now here I will be sticking this one. I'll take another brush. Very quickly I am going to stick this. Please be generous whenever you are using your adhesive. You need to use good amount of supplies to make sure that they stick well. Now on the sides I will wrap it around because I don't want to do any other trimming works right now. Even on the sides they are going to look beautiful. Now here a very interesting part. First I will apply my adhesive. Now can you see these gaps? This gap? We are going to work on those gaps. Just stay tuned to see that how beautifully we will cover that. Okay. Now here I have applied my sticky glue adhesive. I'll put up my decoupage paper here. Let me add some more adhesive. Okay. And once this is done, then I will just stick it. Now you don't have to fold it or anything. You just need to stick it straightly. Why? I will show you now. Okay. Now let this be here. Let this dry for some more time. Okay. Now this is done. I will just wrap it around. Now let me club this portion here. Can we have few more people joining us? So please do share this video as much as you can so that more people can join us for our live session. And of course, we are having a huge giveaway for sharing on this live session on our page. So yes, for that you need to share our session as much as you can. And for buying all these supplies, please do use coupon code GC10 at iCraft store. And of course I will be sharing down all the links on my video description box as soon as I'm done with this session. Now very nicely I am just going to cut this paper. I hope this is clear. Let me just zoom this in. Okay, so now this is a groove part here. You need to cut this paper here. Okay, now very nicely I will start cutting the paper from the other end. Okay, now with the dry flat brush I will start sticking this one. So you can see that my pattern has continued. It has not cut. It is not that this portion does not have any of my patterns. Girls, a little more help. Please do share this video as much as you can. Of course, because we are also having a huge giveaway for sharing this live session with your friends, of course. Now I will repeat the process here. And I will be cutting this part. Okay, now once I'm done with the cutting of this part, can you see that how beautiful it looks like one single piece, and the grooves looks absolutely beautiful. Let me just show you the part which I had done here. Now here in this one, I had worked the same way. Here I had the smaller grooves, so even those have turned out beautifully. So this looks like a very nice grooved panel. So yes, you can do both the effects with this simple trick. Now let me trim this excessive part, because this is just a plain paper on this part, and whichever the portion is there, I am going to turn it back. Now we will be doing the same portion sticking work. So all these papers, all these supplies are available at iCraft, and yes, you can use coupon code GC10 at iCraft store till 10th of July to avail flat 10% off discount. So don't miss this chance. And like I said, from their adhesives to gesso to chalk paints, everything is there, and with just one store you can buy everything. Okay, now I think this looks good. So very gently I'll take up another flat brush and I will start sticking my decoupage paper. Okay, now this looks great, absolutely gorgeous. I'll just wrap it around and fold this on the back. I hope this is clear. Yes, the fun part is to have your own beautiful supplies, and yes, they work beautifully with some of the amazing supplies. Now I am going to cut the extra part here and the extra part here and stick this one. Let me cut it from this portion also. The reason why I'm cutting this, because I want to have the same panel design at the bottom also. Now wherever I feel that it is too much excessive, I will just trim this down. It's absolutely easy. With your scissor you can trim down all the extra portions. Yes, if you have any queries, please feel free to comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's in the name of Growing Craft, where you can see more than 500 videos, which is absolutely free. Now I am just left with one part of my decoupage paper. Okay. So what I'm using to stick this is sticky glue. Again, this is also from iCraft, and the reason why I really I was so excited to join hands with iCraft is because I have used their products previously also, and I absolutely love that. So it gave me all the more reason to share this session with you all, because I believe that whenever you have to make something really beautiful, you need to have a very good supply, which is important. Now I am trimming down all these portions. Why? Because I want to have some extra groove depth on my page. I'll just twist it back so that I don't have to trim it. Let me add some more adhesive. And yes, like I mentioned earlier also, with the same adhesive you can use the technique of gold gliding. You don't have to buy anything extra. Now I will just zoom this out so that you can see the complete panel. Okay, now this is done, and now it's time to play around with my paints. But before that, I will use my spray varnish to seal this decoupage paper. This is just to make sure that my color does not smudges on this decoupage paper. So here I am using a spray varnish. You can use any of the varnish whichever you want, which works perfectly with the I need to switch on the Yeah. Okay. What you need to do is you need to share this post as much as you can, and 3 lucky winners are going to get flat 5% 500 ka voucher. 3 lucky people are going to get that. For that, you need to share this post as much as you can. Let me just cover up all the remaining areas. I don't want my paper to ruin back when I start using my colors. So this is really important. I always do this process before my color blending technique. Why? Because I want to make sure that it works well. Okay, now here this looks absolutely gorgeous, but I need to use my heat gun to dry this up. So I'm just waiting for it to dry a bit naturally, and of course we are going to play around with some nice texture, with some nice color blending work here. So with the beautiful shades around, of course the color blending work becomes much more easier and much more fun. Now here we are almost done. Wherever you feel that you had not sticked your paper properly, just give it a little more press with your nice dry brush, and you will see that it has sticked well because of the good adhesive what we have used on the top of it. This looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Okay, now it's time to play around with a bit of texture work here. Girls, please do make sure that you share this video as much as you can, because we are going to announce 3 lucky winners on our next live session. So yes, if you want to have rupees 500 ka voucher, then please do share this video as much as you can. No, please try to use the gesso, because there is a difference in gesso, there is a difference in chalk paint, so you cannot alternate that at all. Now here I am using this beautiful stencil from iCraft again, and I am going to create a beautiful texture work on it. So like I said, all these supplies are available with iCraft, and you can use coupon code FLAT for flat 10% off. The coupon code is GC10, and this offer is available only till 10th of July. Okay, now let me just keep these jars aside, and I will be doing some more texture work. Now can you see that how beautiful this looks? Let me zoom in my camera while doing this process so that I can show you all that how this looks. Okay, now I will be adding some more texture on all the panels, and yes, adding your different mediums, and when you play around with your chalk paints, it makes your work much more beautiful. I'm just taking out all the excessive paste from the side. I will be overlapping some of my stencil work on my decoupage napkins also. Now what I'm using is my modeling paste. All these supplies are available at iCraft, and yes, do not forget to use the coupon code for some amazing discounts at their website. Now let me add some texture work here and there, and this will make it look beautiful and gorgeous. Why do we need to add texture? There is no compulsion that you have to add texture. I love doing it. Why? Because I love having nice 3D effects on my projects. If you want, you can just play around with the beautiful chalk paints and create some nice interesting work on this. It's absolutely fine. So of course they have a huge collection of stencils, and it works very well for them. And be it your decoupage project or your mixed media project, they are going to look absolutely gorgeous for sure. Now adding few more textures here. Okay, I don't want to add too much of texture because we want to play around a lot with our chalk paints, because like I mentioned earlier also, the amazing colors of chalk paints make your work much more easier. Now let me just clean up my hand, and we need to dry this texture work. Why? Because we need to make sure that it dries up before we start with our texture work. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use my heat gun to dry this up. Okay, now this is my panel. This looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Let me just zoom out. Okay, yes, the coupon code is GC10 to avail the flat 10% discount at iCraft store, and you can buy all these supplies, the base, the beautiful decoupage papers, the chalk paints, and I would highly recommend this sticky glue. Why? Because I am absolutely in love with this, and even their heavy gesso, which makes your work much more easier. Like as you have seen in this session, I have just used one coat of gesso and I was so good to go when I have to do with my decoupage work. Okay, now very quickly we need to dry this up so that we can play around with the chalk paints. No, there is a difference in hair dryer and heat gun. Either you can let it dry completely, or even you can even try the heat guns from iCraft. Those are available with a discount right now. You need to use the coupon code GC10, and yes, we are going to have a giveaway in this live session. You need to share this video as much as you can. 3 lucky winners are going to get rupees 500 ka voucher individually from iCraft store. So do not miss that chance. Yes, this looks beautiful, and as you can see I have done the similar work here, but it's just that I designed this panel in a different way, and I have used my different decoupage paper, and I have used the different shades what I will be using right now in this session. The most exciting part of working with a nice chalk paint is that you can blend them really well, and of course with the gesso, with the heavy gesso, they work beautifully. Okay, yeah, now here we are, almost done. Girls, please do share this video as much as you can. Now what I have used here is a modeling paste for giving this beautiful nice texture. Let me just show you here. So this is how this looks. So this is how my texture work looks on my decoupage napkin, and I just need to make sure that it dries out well before we start with our color work. Yes, you can get all these supplies from one store, that is iCraft. Their website's name is iCraft Designs, and you can get these at a discount. And of course, if you had shared our post, you need to stay tuned till the end of this video. Why? Because we are going to announce 3 lucky winners, those who are getting 500 ka gift voucher from iCraft store, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Okay, now here this has almost dry out. Now one of my most interesting and amazing part, where we are going to blend in the colors. Now here I have taken an acrylic block. Okay, now I will be taking a flat and a round brush, and now we need to play around with the color. So here I have decided that I am going to use my green color. Now this is such a gorgeous green color shade. Now this is a shade what I am using. This is grilled pepper. Okay, and then with this I am going to use my some shades of blue. So the chalk paint what I am using here is Blue Street. I'll just make a small poke so that I don't add too much of color. Okay, and now I will be adding water here. Now this is a plain water which I will be spraying on my project, but before that I need to spray that on my chalk paints. So the kind of effect you get with your chalk paints is completely different from acrylic paint. So yes, there is no chance that you can get such beautiful shades and colors with your acrylic paint. So you need to try your hands. Now here I'll start just blending my color, and as you can see that I'm doing this with a very light hand. I have just sprayed plain water here, and I am dabbing this shade on my panel. Now why I am adding water here is because I just want to make sure that it spreads well, and I hope you are able to see this part clearly. Okay, I'm just dabbing. I am not at all rubbing my colors, and these colors are so beautiful and it blends so well with your base. Just because we have used gesso, it helps in prepping up your base, like I always mention. And this is looking so gorgeous here. I'll just drag up some of the colors on this side. Now one thing, whenever you are using your sprays, make sure you don't overdo that on the portions where you have done the texture work. You don't rub your brush too much on your texture work. Why? Because they tend to smudge with too much of water, because we have not sealed it till now. So that's the reason you need to make sure that you don't overdo the rubbing work on your texture work. Like here I have already done, so I'm not going to touch this part so much. Like I'm not going to do that area again and again. So at one go you need to finish that. If you want to redo that area, you need to make sure that you dry that well. Now here I am using my chalk paint to smudge my colors. I'll just take up all the excessive colors from my napkin part so that my napkin is a bit visible. And what I'm spraying here is the plain water. Okay, so there is nothing that if you are using a pink color paper, you need to use that pink color shades from their store. You can always mix and combine this with the beautiful shades what they have, and it's going to look gorgeous. Now if you don't have a spray bottle, do not worry. Take a container with a plain water and dab your water with your paint brush, and you will see such nice color blending work. Okay, now here we are done. Now in the half portion I have done the green work, and I'm just trying to make sure that it has blended well. And once I'm happy with this part of my panel, then I will just clean up my brush and we will start with the blue color. Now on the blue color I will add some water, and as you had seen that I have taken just a very small portion of chalk paint, and with that one small portion of chalk paint I am covering this complete panel. So you can see the great coverage with these chalk paints, and it's amazing. Okay, now here I am adding my blue color to it. So what I have decided is that I am going to have my half of my panel with blue color and half of my panel with green color, and I hope that this looks good because this is something which I have planned right now, and I hope you will like this. And I think this is looking gorgeous. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Once again, I mention, please do make sure that you do not over rub your texture areas. Why? Because we have not sealed it till now, like till this step. So what happens is, if you over rub the wet texture area, it is just going to smudge, and that is going to ruin your project. Okay, now this is almost done, and I'm still left with so much of chalk paints, you all can see here. Okay, now let me add some water here and do some nice blending work, and this looks gorgeous. This looks really gorgeous. Okay, now here we are almost done. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to, on the upper panel, I will blend these two shades. So this is my blue color, and with that I am going to have some of my green color, so that you can see that how beautiful this blends on this part. Okay, so yes, I think I missed out, but Forum is here, and of course she will be sharing all the links of their supplies, and even after this session I am going to share all the supplies link, and you can avail the discount of flat 10% to buy all these supplies, and I am sure that you are going to love this. Okay, so here we are done. This looks super gorgeous. Let me just clean up this bit so that I can show you this panel. And as you have seen, what the two shades we have used here is the Blue Street and Grilled Pepper. So this is the green and blue shade what we have used here. Now let me just show you this part. Okay, now here, this is how our panel looks after the color blending and the decoupage work. Can you see this? Yeah, so the thing what I have created here is a nice beautiful wall hanging panel. Like in the same way, you can create beautiful key holders, you can create beautiful photo frames, you can create beautiful decor piece, you can create beautiful table decor piece, and yes, absolutely with a very easy techniques of by using the iCraft supplies. Once again, I'll repeat that yes, we have flat 10% off for all of you out there. You need to use the coupon code GC10, and yes, the offer is valid only till 10th of July. So please don't miss out that, and yes, do share this video as much as you can, because we are going to have 3 lucky winners getting the voucher of ₹500 from iCraft store, so that your shopping becomes much more interesting. Now if you have any queries, please do make sure that you comment in the section below. Forum is there to answer all your queries. Forum has already shared the links with you all of iCraft, and yes, a big shout out for iCraft team for organizing such an amazing session. Yes, one more thing, very soon we are coming up with a session on their page 2, so please do make sure that you follow iCraft page 2. So I just want to show you once again that with iCraft chalk paints, decoupage papers, and with the same kit, I have created 2 beautiful and 2 completely different projects. So this kit was the same as what I have created today. Both the supplies were the exact same for both the projects, the same decoupage paper, the same kit, the same chalk paints, the gesso, and even the sticky glue, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. We are still not done because we need to let this dry so that we can move on to the next step. And like I mentioned earlier also, I am excited to share one more tip here. So yes, please do make sure that you share this video as much as you can to get a voucher of rupees 500 from iCraft. I'm just dabbing my sponge dauber to make sure that it dries up quickly, and I don't want too much of color. Wherever I feel that I have added too much of color, I'll just dab it and take it away. Now here I'm using my heat gun to dry this up, and once I am done with this, then we are going to move on to the next and a very last and a very beautiful step, which I really wanted to show you all. Thank you so much, Archana, for sharing this video. And yes, here we are almost done with the drying part. No worries, Aishwarya, this video is going to be there on our page. Like I mentioned earlier also, that with iCraft sticky glue you can do the gold foiling work, and yes, I would like to show you that now. I was so keen on showing this one because buying all the supplies separately becomes so expensive. So here I have my gold foiling sheet, and I'm going to use this on the remaining areas. Now for this, what I am going to do is I will take up this stencil. Now again, this is from iCraft. Okay. Now in a flat brush, I have taken my sticky glue. See, this much amount I have taken, and now I am going to do my adhesive adding work on my panel. Okay. Now I just need to make sure that I add, let me add this here. So wherever I feel that I need to have a nice blending work on my napkin and on my adhesive, there I am going to use my sticky glue. So with this one glue, you can have both the things, your decoupage sticking work and even your gold gliding work. So why I am using this stencil? So that I can have a nice beautiful gold foiling work in a design pattern here. And you can see that I am using such a small quantity of this sticky glue. Please do share this video as much as you can. Why? Because 3 lucky winners are going to get a voucher of rupees 500 from iCraft store. So do not miss that chance at all. So whatever the supplies we have used here in this session are available at iCraft store. So yes, do not forget to use the coupon code GC10, and I am so sure that you all are going to love this. Okay, now here we are almost done. So here what we will be doing is gold gliding work. Let me just add few more sticky glue on the sides, and I'm doing some of the sticking work with the stencil, like I'm adding my adhesive with my stencil, and once I am happy with that, then I will start my gold foiling work. Just a bit of touch-up work here and there, a bit more of my sticky glue adhesive, and now the fun part begins. Why sticky glue? Because sticky glue is one glue which is a multi-purpose glue. You can use this for your decoupage sticking work. You can even use this for your gold foiling work. And the only reason why I wanted to show you this is because whenever we buy supplies, we don't want to have too much of supplies with us. So yes, this is such a best thing to have one sticky glue, and you can do so much of work here. Now you can see that how beautifully my gold sheet is sticking on my project. Now with the brush I am sticking my gold foiling work, and I am sure that this is visible. So I'll just pull up the small portion on my brush and I will start sticking this on my project. I will just dab some of the portions here and there, and you can see that how beautifully it sticks. Yes, all these supplies are available at iCraft store, and use the coupon code GC10 to get a flat 10% off at iCraft website. Now adding few more gold pieces here and there. I don't want to add too much of gold in this project. And now here you can see that we are seeing a dot patchwork. Why? Because we had used the mandala stencil here. And we are almost done here. So here in this panel I have used one sheet of gold foiling, and I'm just spreading it well, and I have used the same adhesive which had been used for our decoupage paper sticking work. Okay, now this is done and this looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Let me just show you this panel again. Can you see this? This looks so beautiful. I just need to brush this up a little more here and there. Okay, and now this is done. Can you see this? This looks beautiful. I really hope that you all enjoyed this session. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's in the name of Growing Craft. We also have a page, this one, where you can follow us. We also have a group where you can share your artwork. That's also in the name of Growing Craft. And yes, do not forget to avail your coupon code GC10 at iCraft store to buy all these supplies at a 10% discount. And do share this video as much as you can. Why? Because we are going to have 3 lucky winners, those who are going to get ₹500 ka voucher from iCraft. And yes, now it's time to reveal the name of 3 people, those who are going to share this iCraft sessions details. Now the 3 lucky winners are Sheetal Anand, Kanchan Shah, and Sarla Bean Jane. So congratulations girls, and yes, please connect with us on our WhatsApp number, and you are getting a 500 rupees ka gift voucher individually, so that you can shop all these amazing supplies. And yes, do not forget to try your hands with the amazing iCraft kits. So yes, these are the ready kits which is there, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this session. Please do leave some love here, and do not forget to check iCraft page. They also have a YouTube channel. They are also there on Instagram, so do check their online presence. I will be sharing all the links in some few time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and yes, do not forget to share this live session as much as you can. Take care. Bye bye.